Hello, welcome to Captain Scarlet's kitchen. This week I'm going to try and improve my doughs because they always come out horrible. This week I'm going to do a rye bread. But first, a cup of coffee. Let's begin. You shall need 250 grams of rye flour, 250 grams of plain flour, a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of, it should be Black Treacle, but I'm going to substitute it with golden syrup, I'm sure it'll be fine. Yeast action activation thing, so this one you literally just add it, you don't have to activate it beforehand, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now we're going to add all the dry ingredients into a bowl. Right, let's give this a quick mix. We now need to add 300 millilitres of warm water, add vegetable oil and the syrup. Right, on a floured surface, we're now going to need, our dough, which should now be combined for about 10 minutes. I've made the mistake of not flouring my hands again, haven't I? Right, okay, let's not make that mistake again. Let's flour my hands. Let's try and get this to incorporate some more flour until the dough feels like a dough. Right, so in a loaf tin, like this, you can either put some, you can put some baking parchment, or I've just used a cake liner. So we're now going to put this in here. We're now going to cover this. You can either cover this with a, well, I'm going to cover it with a tea towel. This needs to go somewhere warm for about 2 hours, and what it should do is double in size. So I'm going to put this in my airing cupboard. So it's been about an hour and a half, and that's actually risen, which is fantastic. So we're now going to put this into the oven on gas mark 6 or 200 Celsius with no fan, or 180 Celsius with fan, for 30 to 35 minutes until it's, well, until it looks like bread. Oh. So that looks and sounds like a crusty loaf. So we'll leave this to cool and then we'll see how it comes out. Right, let's give this a fair go and let's make a sandwich. Yeah, it seems to be holding together. Let's make a sandwich and let's see how it comes out. Okay, so I'm just going to do a simple chicken with some lettuce, mayo, mustard, and cucumber. Let's give this a go. So it's pretty much tastes like wholemeal bread. I'm more of a fan of white bread than the wholemeal, but definitely passable. Yeah, give that a go. Let me know how you get on. And gonna have the rest of my sandwich. Okay, goodbye.